Incredible greetings! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can ask a question in SuperMemoPedia, especially if that question is for getting your key, right? Your activation key. Nice. In 2022, finally, they updated Wiki. They are running Media Wiki. I'm familiar with that because my own webpage, possiblelearning.com, is using the same Media Wiki. They were using a much older version, and finally they updated. Now, what happens is that you don't have this option anymore to ask a question. It was in red. I have an old video about that. So, long story short, what you need to do is you create an account. You can click here at the top right corner. It's not mandatory, as it says. So you can just use the universal account if you don't care. You just want to get your key and move on. Supermemo user and the password Supermemo 2022. So I guess that next year will be 2023 and so on. So step number one, top right corner, login. I have this already memorized. You will need to type this in, Supermemo user and Supermemo 2022. Nice. Now the question is, how do I create a new page? Now I don't have the link. Easy. Same as in Wikipedia. In case you're not familiar with that, you just search. I didn't get my key. You have perhaps some results, but they are absolutely unrelated to what I'm looking for. So what I go is here. Create the page. What you have typed in color red. You just click on that, and voila. Now it's so straightforward, and you can use bolding and so on. It's much easier. You don't have this very ancient form. It's hi. I didn't receive my key or whatever you want to ask. For whatever reason. Regards or whatever. Help is appreciated and so on. Thank you. And once you're done, you click on Save Page, and now you don't even actually need to put the password of SuperMemo. So it is easier than ever. Now I won't do it because I don't want to create that. And that's pretty much it. Nothing else is needed to do. And if you care, what you can do is create your account if you think you will use this other than just getting your key. I hope this has been useful, helpful, and see you next time.